What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're at part 2 of the install section. We're getting ready to go into installation. The first thing you're going to have to do is connect your IMRC control box, which is this, to the Ken Bell open house manifold. You're going to need these spacers, lock washers, and these bolts here. You have to put red gasket maker on. Then you're going to take the open house manifold and mount it to the IMRCs, and then the head. Tight.
Like a tiger?
Yes, Kelly, like a tiger.
Tiger. It's tight like a tiger.
Okay.
Our part's done.
Crisis fucking averted. All I need is not plug this up again. Alright. Line these up.
For down here?
No.
Hey!
Between this and the RCs.
You know, only one of us.
There's only one set of gaskets they included with it, Kelly.
I understand, but you still had those that you made me put over there.
Yeah, but those are trash. I told you.
Look, I found you. Hold on, wait. And those. Just so you know. For the record, y'all, only one of us has, researched superchargers. It's all new to the other one. Hence this.
One set comes over here.
So the gaskets are going on top.
No. Well, how many times I gotta tell you that? I just said that. We just covered that shit. No, they don't go on top.
Yeah, I thought they went on the bottom. But I was confused.
That's the bottom.
Well, to me, that's the bottom.
That's not the bottom.
That's where we took the other gaskets from.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No. We took them from the top. There we go. Okay. So, the top gaskets are all aligned. Looks like the bottom gaskets are all aligned. Now we can start bolting down this manifold. At least it's not. And just like before, it doesn't want to fit between the floor rails. And there it is. Helpful. When
Isn't?
They use stainless steel.
Oh, never mind. You're screwed.
It'd be great if it wasn't stainless steel.
I had it all figured out.
Bro, we're just going to duct tape now.
Remember, they're like, but stainless doesn't stick.
Who ever thought
It's like surgery.
that
really
Operation
is.
the Game would come in handy?
Yeah,
when
I
you're
know.
an adult?
Wait, see, I don't know if we still have... No, damn it. That's lost if we're...
Now,
Like I said,
Todd.
I really did.
We are really messing up the car. We should put some foam over it, James.
I know.
Is it too late?
You're gonna repaint it
Yeah,
anyway.
it'll buff out. And yeah, if you look at the hood line, see?
Yep.
It's got to be repainted. And the top of the windshield.
That seemed like a pretty good price to me.
Yeah,
Well,
they
let's
don't.
see.
They don't do too bad of
I
work.
don't mean to brag, but we
Yeah.
might be...
Is that so you can tell Carmen you did something?
It's like when I went to Vegas.
Band camp.
I went to a $1 slot machine. I
And
put
got it.
$1 in, lost it, put another $1 in, got $2 out, and I was done. I went to Vegas and I broke even.
There you go.
Let me put it this way. I have no doubt it could look very good. Whether it will, that's where the doubts come in.
Right. But, you know what? I'm painting my van.
I'm going to get with James, and one day when you're at work, we're going to put a mariachi horn on your car.
A what?
One of those
La
mariachi
cucaracha.
horns.
La cucaracha.
Look.
I don't know about racist,
Look
but
at Todd. Don't be like Todd.
aren't we... Think about my name. You see the movies, the TV shows, The Todd is always an ass.
Exactly.
Pretty much.
I hate my name.
Don't be a Todd.
Yeah.
And you hear the word Todd, and you know what you picture?
Okay,
If this
Kelly.
is what they pictured, it would be awesomeness.
I did offer to fuck you earlier. So
I
that
did
makes
not.
sense.
You did. It was you who said that.
You did first, though.
Oh.
Review. Rewind. You'll see it in the editing.
Back up the tape. Maybe
Back
it's
up.
there. Maybe
Yep,
it
there
isn't.
it is.
I'm just over here working with cars, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Well, whatever. I tightened that bolt. Think you're doing everything?
Todd's belong with Buffy's.
Who's Buffy?
That's just the name. You know, when you watch all the movies. And
Oh,
stuff,
yeah.
there's a
Buffy. Buffy's always
Buff,
blonde,
yeah.
dumb. Gets killed probably second. No, they gotta kill the ethnic person first.
That's true.
There's Todd being racist again.
It's true, though. I know it's racist, but it's also true. Go back and watch the old Jason movies. The first person to get it's like the black guy or the Chinese guy.
No, isn't it
Then
the
it's
ones
the
having
blonde.
sex? It's the
Yeah,
sex
and
kids
they're
first.
usually the
the
ones
sex
having
kids,
sex first.
You think? In my memory, they were second.
You might be right. You are older than me, I imagine.
Don't, she calls me old all the time.
You got to put it back up, Todd.
Oh, we all know what happened.
Put it back up, Todd. I need you to put it back
When the
up.
guys laugh,
Put your finger back up. Put your finger back up. Okay, hold on. No, we know the sequence of it.
And this bolt got stuck
I'm gonna beat
in
you,
there.
Todd.
And now I gotta do it easy out and drill it out and tap it and pull it out. Because there's supposed to be an aluminum plate that goes on this to raise the bracket up, but it didn't come with the aluminum plate.
Anyway, can't. We're on YouTube, but I don't know.
And that's what I was afraid was gonna happen. Let's see.
and wait. Switch. Yep, good thing you took that off there. That's what I was going to do.
This one started. Alright, next you gotta install the idler pulley. So you gotta take this bolt out right here in the front cover.
Tight space.
Socket.
Uh-huh.
Alright.